In this video, you'll learn how to manage files in a Git repository on GitHub. Browse files. From the left list, click the repository name to open it. Then click the directory name to view its files and subdirectories. Click a file name to view its contents. Edit a file. With the file open, click the pencil icon to open it in the edit mode. In the code editor, make your updates. When you are done, scroll down and click Commit Changes. Make sure that you commit to the correct branch. Create a file. Click the Create a New File button to create a file. In the Content area, paste or enter the file's contents. In the name box, enter the path and the name of the file. Scroll down and click Commit New File. Here's your new file. Rename a file. Browse and then open the file. Then click the pencil icon to open it in the edit mode. In the file's name area, enter the new path or the file name, or both if required. If you enter a subdirectory that doesn't exist, it will be created. Remember to commit the file to save the name change. If you want to move a file to its parent directory, again, open it in the edit mode. Put the cursor in the name box. Press the backspace key and then remove the directory name. If you want, you can change the file's name too, as you're seeing here. Remember to commit the change. Upload a file. To upload an existing file from your computer to the Git repository, browse to the directory and then click the Upload Files button. Drag and drop the file to the drop area and then click the Commit Changes button. After the file is uploaded, you can verify it in the Code tab. File views. You can view a file in different views in the Code tab. Open the file. Click RAW to view it in the RAW mode, that is, without any formatting. Press the browser's back button to return to the Code tab. Click the plain view to view the file with commit annotations highlighting which files of the file were updated in which commit. In this case, the message code line was updated in a different commit while the other code lines are the same as they were in the first commit. Click the history view to see the commit history of the file. To open the file in GitHub Desktop, click the Desktop button. Delete a file. Browse and then open the file you want to delete. Then click the Delete icon. Remember to commit the change. Search for a file. You can search a file by its name, not by its contents. Enter the file name and then any files matching the entered term are displayed. Use the up and down arrow keys to navigate between files and escape to return. If there are no files matching the search term, then no files are displayed. That's it. Thanks for watching.